Good afternoon, friends. Myself Jansai Kishore from Naukar Institute. I am teaching you in Standard 12 English Grammar. The name of the topic Active Passive Voice. In last part, I give you all the rules. Now we will start ahead the construction of the passive voice. So first of all, we have to put object, then change according to tense, then V3 plus other words plus by plus subject. Again repeat the construction. Subject, in place of subject you have to put object plus change according to tense, V3 other words, by plus subject. Now we will start the sentence. First, they play cricket match. In this sentence, they is a subject, play verb, and cricket match, that is object. So according to rule, first of all we have to put object in place of subject. The second rule say recognize the tense. This is a simple present tense. How can we recognize the simple present tense? So first of all we have to see the subject, and after subject there is a verb, the first form of the verb. So it is called simple present tense. So answer of this sentence, first of all you have to put object. So cricket match is played by them. According to construction, first of all I have to put object, then change according to tense, then V3, there is no other words, means after V3 we have to put by, and after by we have to put subject. So this is the answer. Now second, we wrote a letter. In this sentence, we is a subject, wrote is a verb, and a letter is a object. So again, according to 5 rules, first of all we have to put object. So object is a letter. There is a simple past tense. We can see the after subject there is a second form of the verb. So this is a simple past tense. A letter was. Second rule is was. Third rule we have to put V3. The third form of the wrote is written. Written by us. Okay. A letter was written by us. Now the third one, Manoj is reading a story book. In this sentence, Manoj is a subject, is a helping verb, reading is a verb, and a story book, that is object. So first of all, we have to put object, a story book. Is. If the sentence has is, am, are, was, were, then we have to put being. So a storybook is being read by Manoj. Okay. So this is the answer of the question. Now fourth, Ketan was not writing a story. Again, I repeat the sentence. Ketan was not writing a story. Answer: a story was not being written by Ketan. Next, I have finished my work. In this sentence, I is the subject, have helping verb, finish the verb, and my work is object. So, answer: my work has been. My work has been finished by me. Okay, friends. So now I'll give you the homework. I'll give you some sentence. I will put PDF. You have to check the PDF, and there are 130 sentences. You have to write down first 1 to 25 sentences. And if you have any problem, you can inform me or to the admin staff. We will definitely solve your problems. Thank you very much.